Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today being Friday, 12th of February 2021. I remain the Oludum, I remain the Obaye, I remain the land now on earth. Today I just have some little thing to discuss about. My my issues today are not really very much. It's just all about how I need to, you understand, we need to change ourselves so that we get the best of our dreams. We get the best of, the best of attainment about future, about realities, about life, and what you need to be, how you need to discover with your heart. You know, I I kept to look at things from different angles and different modes of life based on individual perspective. Everybody has their own kind of discretions they think about life and the kind of school of thought everybody has about life. But actually, I want to firstly discuss about what is really the parental problem when it comes to the future of the children becoming who they are or becoming what they want to be in life. And what was really the first challenge about life is we kept to lose what is called love, or we kept not to understand the real fact about love or the phenomenon about nature. Nature has its own phenomenon, everything has its own principle, it has its own ideology, and it has its own systems, and it depends on how much you could be able to understand or to go more deeply about the school of thought that really talks about nature, makes you to get the best of your dream and the best about life. So the parental problem I look at from the angle was the angle about what are the things that parents nowadays, what are the things we lack? You understand? That makes the children, the youth of nowadays being projected to many things that are not really what abide with the rules of the nature and become something else to the world, and which was really causing an early death to the youth of nowadays. Was just about we lack what is called love. We lack what is called the understanding about nature. Nature actually, I look at it from the angle that nature speaks about love generally. That is the parameter about life. But before nature could say, I want to bring myself, or I want to transform myself, or I want to transcend to what is called this image. That is the image he believes that befits what you want to really, the dynamics or the function you really want to do. That is, ní Yorùbá, I want to say it in Yorùbá, ìgbà tí ìwà fún ara ẹ̀ tó fẹ́ máa dára ìfà yìí, ìfà yẹn means the gift. He was looking at what kind of ways can I be able to attain my dream. Ìwà tí mo fẹ́ dára ẹ̀, ọ̀nà wo ni mo lè gbà tí mo lè fi yè ń bẹ̀. Ìwà ilẹ̀ fún ara ẹ̀ nígbà tó ń bọ̀ ní ọjà Ìjàyè níbi táwa yìí. Ìjàyè ni tó wá jayé pé àwọn fẹ́ máa jayé, because ẹni tó fẹ́ kọ́lé fẹ́ jayé ni, ẹni tó fẹ́ máa lo mọ́tò fẹ́ jayé ni, ẹni tó fẹ́ máa sunú èsì fẹ́ máa jayé ọba ni, torí ọba ni. So he is a king, or you call it she is a queen. So depend on what you call the nature. So actually, ó wá wòra ń bẹ́ ó ní oríta yìí tí n bá yí àti n bá di èèyàn. But kó tó di èèyàn, it was able to make things needed. You understand? That is, according to the economists, we look at things, we call it scale of preferences. Needs according to their wants, or wants according to their needs. You understand? But now a lot of things will lack, and that is really affecting the upcoming youth of nowadays, and it makes them to fall into many ways of life that become something else to the world. You understand? Something else generally to the world. What was it? That was nothing like an equilibrium. The scale of preference was not drawn. That was nothing like I need to make my wants. There was nothing like a table drawn. You understand? Based on what really being the dream of the parents we have nowadays, And that's been one of the problems that is affecting the upcoming youth of nowadays too. And what is that? Ìgbà yẹn ní Yorùbá, I will say it in English, I'm coming. Àwọn bàbá wa, ìwà ni, àti ń fẹ́ èmi nìkan mo ti ń hustle tó bá yá wọn ní fẹ́yàwó afẹ́yàwó tó bá tó fẹ́ wọn ní máa bímọ. You know, they believe that through those process nǹkan gbogbo dream yẹn will be able to come to reality. That is one aspect of life based on their own school of thought. But actually, that has not been what is happening. Torí ẹni tó nífà fún ara ẹ̀, that is ìwà, the nature fún ara ẹ̀, that is, you can call it the mother head. I am the God now. So the mother head, I sit on the throne. Àtọ́bá wo wàá rí pé kì í ṣe gbogbo ètò yẹn là ń mọ̀mọ́ lénìí. Òbí mi kan pọ̀ mọ́ wáyé, there was no provision. They don't have what is called the scale of preference, that what are needs, what are really what we need to take, what are the steps, what are the modules. You understand? What are the process? Before I could be able to say, okay, this is time for me. I'm like this now. I'm still a bachelor. I'm still a spinster. What is really my target? What is really my goals? What is really my vision? You know, there's a stage you get to before you go into another way of life. Because everything is a way of life. So nature too was coming from a place, you know, from a process of one place to another before it become the sun, the moon, the rain, you understand, the air, you know, become all these, the mammals, the animals, and some other stuff, you understand. So it's always a process. But nowadays, we all have the problem, you understand. You have the problem now. And sorry for come be more. At the end of the day, it makes us to have a lot of problem, especially it doesn't eradicate what is called poverty. Rather than it implements a lot of poverty problem, you understand, problem, and which raises the level of the poverty in the community. You understand, in most of the community we have nowadays on the world, because there was nothing like a process, there was nothing like a scale of preference, there was nothing like a table chart, that what are the plans, what are the process I need to take. Before I got married, okay, I've been able to secure a suitable apartment for myself. Okay, I've been doing my job, you know. The spiritual thought was not there. And without getting that inner realm, you can't perfect your physical world. I swear down. It's going to be a problem to you. So those are the things we are having that tends to be one of the major problems in the world nowadays. And it's affecting us. So we are having the problem of all this Ankarawa, S-man, Kilofa. Is because we don't really understand. We don't have a plan. Government, they lack the plans. You understand? The leaders, you call themselves, they lack the plans. Even the leaders in the cause of the tradition, they lack the plans too. The whole agenda about everybody was how I need to make money. How that money need to come in very fast. There was no plan that, okay, this is how you need to be. It's just a startup process. You understand? So, any what din kotika lokun sare, you're on a race. Everybody's on a race like, no, I need to be rich, I need to be wealthy. Why am I fancy Jehovah? If I you know, nature herself, it consults, or you can call she consults for herself whenever she wants to take a step. The consultation means that she look at the angle that this thing I'm going to do, what is it going to spell about? What is going to be the end? Because I don't want to die. I want to keep living. I want to be there till eternity. So that was why she, or either he or she, you can call it, was able to attain the good goal of nowadays. So our Towa transcend the initiative was not there. The sense of reasoning was not there. We couldn't be able to compile our thoughts. You understand? To look at it from the angle that what are the process? What was the next thing to be done that can make things more better? What are the process does it entails for me to get right? We don't do it anymore. So we just junk in that, okay, I'm a grown-up guy, you know, I feel like this thing is worrying me. I need to, the urge is there, I need to go in for that. At the way you impregnate what you don't mean to impregnate. It downsizes your future, it downsizes your integrity, it downsizes your dream. So a lot of things, it become a poverty problem to the community. So from there, you run into what you don't want to run to. So a lot of mess come up. Nigeria, poverty. There was no plan. That said, I have an idea. I think I could make our dream come to reality. We could all benefit and be happy. At the end of the day, there was no dream. the whole was just all junks or fools. So ṣe lè ní wọn ní jíyàn gbé, ṣe lè ní wọn ní wọn wára wa, ṣe lè ní wọn ní wọn ní kọ sọnù, ṣe lè ní wọn ní wọn ní pààyàn kan síbi kan. So every day being the Olódùmarè, I am the Oluwa, I am the God now. I'll keep telling you every day that the first thing about you is that what was your table chart? How did you make your drawing? How did you make your scale of preference? That is a process. So you need to first understand your spiritual realm. What does it entail? That is your teacher. That is your mentor. That is your leader. You understand? It is the one that needs to make the movement. You can't get it right without taking the instruction of who is using the medium. The same person using the medium is somebody we refuse to listen to. And it has been a problem to us. So we couldn't find the law of Edibon. So we couldn't get the inspirational thought. So nothing could aspire based on our school of thought. So we started being in different problems every day. So, but to all, I wish everybody the best. Understand? Ire ni ojú gbogbo yín máa rí. You understand? But kí ni mama sọ ní pé ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo yín lọ máa ní ṣùtì. Ìgbésẹ̀ ètò ni. Kí n tó fẹ́, mo fẹ́ ṣètò, mo fẹ́ máa bí, kí ló ti nílẹ̀, kí ló ti pèsè lẹ̀ fún. Kó má di pé gbogbo wa máa dolè, ẹ máa do ní jìbìtì, ẹ máa di ẹni tó ń lera yín mọ́ tẹ́ wá ń para yín jẹ. Torí ẹ fẹ́ yìí, òun ló bá yé lé lọ. Òun ló bá àwọn èèyàn tó ràn ríra wọn mọ́. Because that was no plan for them. Wọ́n nílò àwọn ni, ṣe tí mọ̀. So bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ olórí. Tẹ́ pé lólórí yín. So èmi Olúwa, èmi Ọlọ́run ọba, èmi ọba ayé. I love everybody. You understand? So to all my fans, I pray for every day. Understand? The lovers, one that said, Ile, Ọlọ́run ọba, àwa ti fẹ́, àwa ti rí pé wọ́n ló dádé yẹn. Ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ ní ẹ̀mí yẹn, ìwà yẹn gangan, ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ ló ti yè. That is, it was able, the love, the nature was able to discover our love in totality. We all know. So I bless them. I wish them more prosperity, more attainment of goals. You understand? In terms of wealth, in terms of opportunity, in terms of breakthrough. And to everybody watching the videos too, listening to this, I wish everybody the best too. So I love you all. You have a nice day. Bye.